This tutorial review will show you how to access blocked website in your country. Are you trying to access a website that's blocked at school or work? If your network administrator or your parents restricted your access to a website, getting around the block might seem tricky. Fortunately, you have several options for unblocking banned websites. Method 1. Use a proxy. One of the easiest ways to unblock websites is with a public web proxy. It may not be as fast or secure as a VPN, but a public web proxy is a good option when you use public PCs that don't let you install a VPN. Proxies hide your IP address and route your internet traffic through different public servers. Many proxy servers are unencrypted and pair with a particular app or browser. That's why proxies are often easier to use. But a VPN is encrypted, so it can protect you from ISP tracking, government surveillance, and hackers. Proxies don't, so they should never be used when sending source financial data or other sensitive information. So one of the most popular free proxy site is proxysite.com. So open this website and here click on server, and from here you can select a server, then enter here the website URL you want to unblock and click on go. And then the website will be unblocked. So this is the first method to view any blocked website. And the second method is using a VPN extension. And also this is a very popular way to unblock any website. If you're using Google Chrome browser, then go to the Google Chrome Web Store. And here search for VPN. Then you will get lots of VPN extensions here. You can add any VPN to your browser, and once the VPN added, make sure to pin the VPN from here. Once you connected to the VPN, now try to open the blocked website, and then you will see the website is unblocked. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.